Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to check the RAM on your laptop. There are two easy ways. The first one is the most easy one. Right click here and select Text Manager. Give it some time to load. Let's maximize it, and from there go to the performance. So this is where you can see the amount of memory you have. Like here you can see like we have 20 gigabytes of memory. If you need more data on that, you can just come here like the one that's used, the available one. More information here, and also the speed of the RAM, how many slots you have, the form factor. There is another way, which is you have to write SYS and it will pull up system information. Click here. Again, let's maximize it for easier viewing. And scroll down and you'll be able to see this installed physical memory. So we have 20 gigabytes of RAM, and we have available is 10.9. You can also see the virtual memory here. So this is another way to see the amount of RAM you have. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.